In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Patreon. By the end, you'll be able to access your account quickly and confidently with a few useful tips to avoid the most common hiccups. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing patreon.com directly into the address bar. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the spelling and looking for the secure lock icon next to the URL. Once the homepage loads, head to the top right corner and click the login button. This takes you to Patreon's sign-in page. Here you'll see several ways to sign in, with Google, Apple, Facebook, or with your email. For this walkthrough, we'll use email. If you usually sign in with a connected account like Google or Apple, you can choose that instead and follow the on-screen prompts, but we'll continue with the email method to keep things straightforward. Click into the email field and enter the email address associated with your Patreon account. It helps to use copy and paste from a trusted source to avoid typos and make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Next, move to the password field and type your password carefully. Double check that caps lock isn't on and that your keyboard layout is what you expect. If there's a show password option, it can be helpful to reveal what you've typed for a moment to confirm it's correct. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill your saved credentials. If you can't remember your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the page. That will send a reset message to your email. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folders and only complete the reset from the official email you receive. Once your email and password are in, click Continue. Depending on your settings, you may go straight to your Patreon home, or you might be asked to verify your login. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, enter the code from your Authenticator app or the method you've set up. This extra step helps keep your account secure. If you see an error, recheck your email and password for typos, refresh the page, and try again. You can also clear your browser's cache or try a different browser if something seems stuck. On personal devices, you can use the Stay Signed In option for quicker access next time. On shared computers, remember to log out when you're done. That's it. Simple, secure access to your Patreon account. Thanks for watching, and happy creating and supporting.